For as long as we can remember, people have been trying to find ways to fight cancer. They've looked far and wide into medicine and science to find answers, but even with all the complicated research, one simple thing has always been there to help: the food we eat. Here are 13 foods that are not only tasty, but might also help protect against cancer. Eating right can make a big difference. Let's start with berries. Even though they're tiny, they're full of the good stuff. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with things that are great for our health. Things such as anthocyanins that fight diseases. Think of them as tiny protectors for our body's cells. A study showed that eating blueberries often can help you think better. So add some berries to your diet. It's good for your health and your taste buds. Next, there is the zesty citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. They're not just delicious, they're really good for us. Full of vitamin C, these fruits help our skin and help us use iron from vegetables. They have a lot of things that make our bodies strong. These fruits can help protect us from getting sick. A study in Nutrition Reviews showed that eating more citrus fruits lowers the risk of some illnesses. Did you know that one lemon gives you half of the vitamin C you need in a day? Have you tried garlic? It's strong but very good for you. It has things like allicin in it. Studies suggest that eating garlic might lower the risk of certain illnesses. Some medicines try to mimic the compounds of garlic, but nothing can replicate the real thing. Using garlic in food makes it healthier and tastier. A long time ago, Egyptians even used garlic as money and medicine. Tomatoes are also a winner. Their red color shows that they have lots of lycopene, which is something that can protect us from some illnesses. A study in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute said eating more lycopene lowers the risk of some types of cancers. Cooking tomatoes makes lycopene easier for our bodies to use, so enjoying a tomato and garlic sauce is both yummy and good for our health. Then there are green vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. They might look like tiny trees and small cabbages, but they're so much more. They have a lot of nutrients and things like glycosinolates. In fact, broccoli contains more vitamin C than an orange ounce for ounce. Other green vegetables include spinach, Swiss chard, and kale. These aren't just delicious, they're full of healthy things like antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. When you eat them, think of them as a protective green barrier. This barrier helps shield our body, keeping away harmful things that might lead to diseases, including cancer. Remarkably, per calorie, kale has more iron than beef, showcasing its dense nutrient content. Now for something sweet. Dark chocolate isn't just tasty. It's loaded with beneficial elements known as antioxidants. What's the big deal about antioxidants? Well, they play a crucial role in defending our body against damage. Scientists have found that dark chocolate's antioxidants might help in the fight against cancer. This makes this sweet treat even more tempting, right? Well, it's no miracle cure. Remember its potential benefits every time you enjoy a piece of dark chocolate. Alright, let's talk about green tea. Have you ever thought that it's more than just a soothing drink? This tea isn't just something to warm you up or calm you down. It has some really special stuff in it that may help keep some bad illnesses away. So when you're having a cup of green tea and feeling all relaxed, you should know that the tea might also be doing some secret work to keep you in good health. Fascinatingly, green tea has been consumed for thousands of years, dating back to ancient China, making it one of the world's oldest beverages. Now, how about something crunchy? Many people enjoy the satisfying crunch of almonds or the tiny pop of flax seeds. Nuts and seeds are very good for you. These little crunchy bites are like mini health packages. They have good fats, enzymes that help you digest food, and those special antioxidants that protect your body. They're awesome for keeping us feeling good, but a quick reminder, you don't need to eat a whole lot of them. A small amount, like what you can hold in one hand, is just right. Intriguingly, almonds are actually seeds, not nuts, and are related to peaches and apricots. Let's not forget about the treasures the sea offers. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and those tiny sardines. These fish have something called omega-3s. These are good fats that make our heart happy and strong. Plus, they might even help keep away some types of cancers, especially ones like breast cancer. So when you're eating a fish dish and thinking about how good it tastes, also think about how it's doing good things for your body. Did you know that sardines are one of the most sustainable and eco-friendly fish options due to their abundance and rapid reproduction? Now, a big shout out to beans, lentils, and chickpeas. They might look simple, but they're power-packed. Packed with fiber and protein, they also contain phytochemicals, which have antioxidant properties. They have lots of components that aid digestion, and numerous studies suggest that they contain compounds like saponins and phytic acid that may help protect your gut from cancer. Every time you munch on them, you're not just satiating your hunger, but you're also giving your health a significant boost. Interestingly, chickpeas have been grown in Middle Eastern countries for over 7,500 years, making them one of the oldest consumed crops in the world. Furthermore, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research, the soluble fiber in beans could aid in reducing the risk of digestive cancers. They're like the silent helpers in our food. When you think of things like oats, quinoa, or brown rice, you might think they're just there to make you full, but that's not all they do. These grains, or in the case of quinoa, seeds, are like tiny health vaults. They are rich in fiber, which has been scientifically proven to aid digestion, and they also boast antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. The polyphenols present in oats, for instance, have been associated with reduced inflammation and lowering cholesterol. When you eat oatmeal or brown rice, remember they offer health benefits. Quinoa is a seed but has all 9 essential amino acids. There's more to turmeric than making our food look and taste better. Inside turmeric, there's something truly special called curcumin. Various scientific studies have focused on this compound, many of which suggest its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. People say curcumin can help when our bodies are feeling sore or inflamed. However, it's essential to note that while curcumin holds therapeutic potential, its absorption in the body is relatively low unless taken with black pepper or other enhancing agents. Moreover, if someone has had breast cancer and is taking a medicine named tamoxifen, they should exercise caution. Mixing turmeric and this medicine might not be the best combination. Always consulting with a healthcare professional is wise. An astounding fact is that turmeric has been used in India for over 4,000 years, both as a culinary ingredient and a medicinal herb. When we think about being healthy and feeling strong, there isn't just one superfood that does everything. Staying healthy is like making a big, yummy salad. We need a bit of everything. If we move our bodies and exercise, it's like adding a super dressing to our salad. It makes everything even better. We're making a big safety net by eating lots of good foods and moving around. This net might help protect us from getting sick, maybe even from big diseases like cancer. There are even small steps you can take to prevent a lot of issues. Just 30 minutes of daily walking can reduce the risk of many chronic diseases and improve mood and mental well-being. From berries bursting with antioxidants to the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, our diets could be a potent defense against cancer. Which of these cancer-fighting warriors is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy living content.